Most people think pelvic floor therapy is just about doing Kegels, squeezing and strengthening, but that misses the point entirely. The pelvic floor isn't just a muscle to strengthen, it's a complex neuromuscular system. In many conditions, like pelvic pain, incontinence, or vaginismus, the muscles are already too tight, not too weak. Doing Kegels can actually make things worse. What really matters is neuromuscular control, the ability of your brain and nervous system to coordinate, relax, and precisely activate the right muscles at the right time. This requires retraining the connection between your brain and your body. This is where neuroplasticity comes in. Your brain can literally rewire itself. Through structured, progressive therapy, new neural pathways are built, improving coordination, reducing hypersensitivity, and restoring normal function from the inside out. A qualified pelvic floor physiotherapist doesn't just hand you exercises. They assess your whole neuromuscular system and guide you through a personalized program that retrains how your brain and body communicate. That's how real recovery happens.